Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about iPhone 15 Pro Max versus ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. The iPhone 15 Pro Max launched on September 2023 with a price tag of $1,199. ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $800. The body dimensions: iPhone 15 Pro Max height 6.3 inches, width to 3.02 inches, thickness 8.3 mm. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra height 6.46 inches, width 3.01 inches, thickness 8.8 mm. The weight of the device is iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 221 gram and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 246 gram. The both devices come with front and back glass, and iPhone 15 Pro Max come with titanium frame, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with aluminium frame.
Display.
And the mobile come with dual SIM, nano SIM card, and eSIM card supported. The display type of the device is the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with LTPO, Super Retina XDR, OLED 16mm color screen type, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 6.7 inches and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 6.8 inches. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 1.5K screen resolution and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 1116 by 2480 pixels. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 460 ppi at NST. The Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 400 ppi at NST. The both mobile come with 120Hz refresh rate, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 89.8% screen to body ratio. Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 89.1% screen to body ratio. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with ceramic shield glass protection, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 1500 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel periscope telephoto with TOF 3D ladder sensor, and it's scored 4K 60 fps video. The Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. And the front camera setup: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with dual camera setup, 12 megapixel and a SL3D sensor biometrics, and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The Nubia Z60 Ultra front camera comes with 12 megapixel under display, and it's record 1080p 60 fps video. The platform of the device is the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with hexa-core CPU, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex-X4. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset. The Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of the device is the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with Apple GPU 6-core, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with Adreno 750. iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with iOS 17 operating system, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with Android 14, MyOS 14 operating system. The memory of the device is iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 8GB of RAM, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 12GB, 16GB, and 24GB of RAM. And the internal storage: the both devices come with 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery backup. iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 4441 mAh battery, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 6000 mAh battery. The Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 80 watt fast charging, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 23 watt fast charging. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supported 15 watt wireless charging, and it comes with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max have Face ID unlocking system, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with fingerprint under display unlocking system. The result of the device is iPhone 15 Pro Max got 22 points and the Nubia Z60 Ultra got 19 points.
Comms and features.